sipping smoothies by the pool with my best friends. What a perfect way to spend a Saturday. I know, right? I think I could stay floating in this floaty flamingo forever. And these tiki fruit smoothies are so delicious. Plus, they're good for us so we can drink as many as we like. Whoa! You didn't tell us you installed a wave pool, Polly. I didn't think I had. Well, it's super relaxing, whatever it is. Are you sure you didn't install a wave machine? Of course I'm sure. Whee! This is fun! It's like being in the ocean. I think I'm going to get another round of smoothies. All this rocking around is starting to make me seasick. Make mine a watermelon. Whoa! Girls overboard! Are you two all right? Yeah, we're fine. But whatever it is that's causing all this shaking has got some explaining to do. Look at this mess! Do you think that he might have something to do with it? Definitely. Let's get out of here. Oh no, there's only room for two of us. It's okay. You two escape. I've got a bone to pick with this dino. Hey, over here! Oh, no, you don't. No one eats my friends. Thanks, Mr. Butterfly. Oh, and by the way, I love your wings. Such beautiful colors. Polly, you're safe. We were so worried about you. I'm fine, but we still have one major dinosaur problem on our hands. What are we going to do? We'll never be able to use the pool again with that giant oaf stomping around. Maybe we can try and scare him away or something? Scare him away? Did you see the size of that thing? We're way too small to take down a dinosaur. Shani, that's it! Go big! Okay, everyone ready? Ready? Bring it on, dinosaur! Hey, where did it go? Maybe we scared it off after all? Oh no, it's back! Run! Wait a minute, that's not a dinosaur. It's just Greg. What's a Greg? Greg is the name of my brother's pet chameleon. Well, why was he trying to eat us? He wasn't trying to eat us. He was after our fruit smoothies. Well, at least we can go back to the pool and relax again. Right, but first, I think I'll take Greg back to Pierce's room. Otherwise, we'll have no more fruit smoothies left. Wow, what a beautiful day. Yeah, it's the perfect weather for sunbathing in the park. Shani, let's just run through the checklist one last time to make sure we've got everything we need. Do we have sunscreen? Check. Beach towels? Check. 3 pairs of sunglasses? Check, check, and check. Well, I think that's everything then. Let's go. Oh no! What are we going to do now? Don't worry, guys. Luckily, I know a place where it's always sunny. Tiny Power! This was a great idea, Polly. Yeah. Who needs the park when you've got a mini beach? Oh, hi, Peaches! What? Come on, guys. Let's play some volleyball. Count me in. Oh, all right then. I guess a little exercise couldn't hurt.
Woof. Woof.
There you are, Peaches. Aw, he's so cute. I think Peaches likes sunbathing almost as much as we do. Well, let's not wake him. Come on, last one back in the water is a rotten egg.
Woof. Woof. Woof, woof. Woof. Woof, woof. Woof. Woof, woof.
Still snoozing, I see. That dog sure knows how to relax. Yeah, he hasn't moved a muscle. It's okay. We'll have our picnic soon. I'm sure he'll wake up once he smells the snacks.
Woof. Woof, woof. Woof.
Peaches, it's time for lunch. You have to be the laziest dog ever, Peaches. I can't believe I have to tidy my entire room before Lila and Shani are allowed to come over. It's not even that messy. Oh, this is so boring. There must be a way of making this more fun. Aha! That's it! Maybe I can use the quadcopter to help me clear up this mess. That way I can have fun and tidy my room at the same time. Tiny power! This is great! How does anyone tidy their room without using a quadcopter? Whoa! This shelf is filthy! It could really use a good dusting. This place looks amazing! Who knew cleaning could be so much fun? There must be something else I can clean around here. Hey! That fish tank looks like it could use a good scrub. Tiny power! Okay, here goes nothing. This is going to take forever. I can't hold my breath for long enough. Aha! Another brilliant idea! What if I turn the submarine into a giant sponge? I can't wait for Lila and Shani to see how squeaky clean this place is. I don't think I've ever seen this place looking more shiny. There's not a single spot of dirt anywhere. Peaches! No! Oh, what am I going to do now? There's no way I can vacuum all these messy paw prints before Shani and Lila arrive. Unless... Tiny Powers, you've done it again! Phew! All that tidying up was exhausting. Looks like I've got just enough time to take a quick dip in the pool to cool off before Shani and Lila arrive. Tiny Power! Cannonball! Polly, your friends are here. Oops, I better get a towel, quick! Oh, there you are, Lila. I've been looking everywhere for you.
Hey, Polly. I finished a brand new design for my hat range, so thought I'd treat myself to a chill out by the pool.
Sounds good. Want to join me in the pool?
I'm fine for now. Thanks, Paul.
How about going in the floaties?
I just want to chill.
There's nothing more relaxing than floating in the pool, Lila.
Have fun!
Boo!
Polly, you scared me!
Sorry. Want to have a go in the waterfall? You must need to cool down. You've been lying there for ages.
I'm just super exhausted after working so hard on my new design. You enjoy it, though.
Okay, but it would be so much more fun if you joined me. All right, Lila. You won't be able to resist this one. How about a dip in the luxurious hot tub?
I'd love to, but I'm just so comfy where I am.
Lila, I know you're nervous about swimming, but there's really no need to be. I'm right here, and will make sure nothing happens to you.
It's just that I haven't swam for a while. I don't know if I'm still good at it.
I know it can be scary getting over fears, but let's take it one step at a time. I know you'll love it once you get used to it.
I can always count on you to help me, Polly.
In that case, let's grab a frozen yogurt and go on the floaties. How are you feeling, Lila?
Still a little nervous, but this frozen yogurt sure makes things better.
I think you've mastered the floaty. Now it's time for the hot tub.
I've gotta say, I never thought I could find anything more relaxing than the sun lounger, but this is dreamy.
I know. I'm almost falling asleep.
Oh no, we can't have that. We need to have a go in the wave pool next.
Lila, I'm so tired. These waves are taking it out of me. I'm going to have a rest at the tiki bar. Want to join me?
You go ahead. I think I'll practice my swimming some more. Ooh! This waterfall is super refreshing!
Glad you like it.
Woohoo! Oops. Sorry, Polly. I guess I'm over my fear of water now.
Thanks for coming to help me practice skateboarding, Shani. I'm so excited to show you my new trick. I call it the Polly Ollie. Sounds awesome! How about I time you and we see how many tricks you can do in a minute? You're on! Tiny power! Right, let me just get the timer set up. Hey, what was that sound? Oh no, it's Captain Collywobbles! We must have left the window open. Shh! Maybe if we're really quiet and still, he won't notice us. Ah, I forgot about the timer. Quick! He must think we're tasty mice. Let's jump into the submarine. He'll never be able to reach us in there. Ah! That was a close one. I know, right? I thought for sure we were going to be cat food. We should be safe in here. What's happening? It's Collywobbles! He's trying to knock over the tank. We have to get out of here! Let's try and reach the SUV. If we can't hide from him, we'll have to try and outrun him. Step on it, Polly! Faster, Polly! He's gaining on us! Let's see if Captain Collywobbles likes the taste of sandcastles. Nice! But I think you made him mad. Hey, Shani! Ever seen a cat ice skate before? Great job, Polly! I think you bought us a little time. Let's see if we can find somewhere to hide. There! Look! We can hide behind the waterfall. Polly? Come on, Shani! Captain Collywobbles could find us again at any second! I think he might already have. Shani, get to the quadcopter! I'll distract him! Hey! Come and get me! Run, Polly! Get to the waterfall! Well, I guess this is the end. There was still so much I wanted to do. So many awesome skateboard tricks I wanted to learn. Polly! I've got it! Cats hate getting wet. You need to find some way to splash him. Shani, you're a genius! Here goes nothing. Cannonball! We did it! He's gone! Yeah! I'm glad we had your quick thinking, Shani. Thanks. And you were super brave distracting him like that. We make an awesome team. Now, we better go close that window. We don't want any more unexpected interruptions. Interruptions of what? My skateboarding, of course. I still want to see how many tricks I can do in a minute. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage Littleton's most super special singing sensation, Shani! Woo-hoo! Shani, that was your cue. Sorry, guys. I'm just so nervous. I've never sung in front of anybody before. Hey, we're not just anybody, Shani. We're your best friends. I have an idea. Here, try this. Maybe it'll help if you can't see us. Okay, I'll give it another try. Ladies and gentlemen, blah, 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 may I present to you Shani! Woo! Go, Shani! Whoa! Oops. Sorry, Shani. Maybe the towel wasn't such a good idea after all. It's okay. Thanks for trying, guys, but it's no good. I'm never going to shake off these nerves before the big dance party tonight. We just need to help you relax. That's a great idea, Lila. I think a little relaxing vacation is just what Shani needs to unwind. Oh, yay! I love vacations. Can we go to the beach? No, wait. Let's go and chill out by the pool. Oh, but skiing could be fun, too. I don't know, guys. Shouldn't I be practicing? Are you kidding me? You sing like an absolute superstar! Wait, how do you know? You've never heard me sing before, right? Right? Well, Polly and I might have shrunk down and listened in while you were practicing the other day. You did what? Sorry, Shani. We just really wanted to hear you sing. Now, come on. Fun and relaxation, here we come. Tiny power! There, finished. That's one super cool sandcastle. That was fun. I'm still feeling super nervous about tonight. Well, how about we cool off at the ski resort? It's getting way too hot out here anyway. Aw, but my suntan was almost perfect. Ah! Wow, great snowman, guys. Thanks. I was thinking about designing him an outfit. Feeling any better, Shani? A little. I just can't stop thinking about singing in front of all those people. What if they laugh at me? Then they'll have us to deal with. Come on, I know a place where we can really relax. Isn't this great? There's nothing more relaxing than floating around the pool. It is sort of peaceful. Incoming! Polly, we're supposed to be relaxing. It's okay. I think I'm starting to feel a little better. That's great! Whoa, would you look at the time? We better get going or we're gonna be late. It's no good, Polly. I can't do it. My nerves, they've come back again. Don't worry. You're gonna be amazing, Shani. Okay, I'm ready. Are we doing this or what? We? But you guys aren't performing. Oh, yes, we are. We're your beautiful backup singers. You didn't think we'd send you out there all alone, did you? Oh, thank you, guys. You're the best friends ever.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage, Shani and the Pockets!